Another tech tip out here in Moab, obviously performance is everything. I'm in the Jeep 392, the JL. We use everything we can to get all the advantage. And with the Magnaflow exhaust, getting rid of the complete muffler behind the rear axle allows for maximum ground clearance. They've done a phenomenal job getting the exhaust exit as high as they can, not getting near any wires, fuel lines, anything, but getting it so high up out of the way that you're not going to have any issues smashing the tailpipe and making the thing not run. Also, they did an amazing job with the sound. They did some chambers to really tone out some of that obnoxious noise that you get on some of those muffler systems out there. And this thing just sounds really good going down the highway, talking on the cell phone when you're a passenger, and even on the trail getting under acceleration. It has everything you need to drive a Jeep on the rocks, in the dirt, and those long highway drives.
I'm Casey Currie. Thank you for watching. Now, comment below. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you don't like. Subscribe right here. Watch more videos here. Thank you guys.